There's our handsome baby, 1 day old. Say hi, handsome baby. Oh no, that's not hi. You're supposed to say something cute. This is little Augie Sullivan. He was born yesterday. Huh. You are so handsome. You really are just a cute baby. Alright, that's it for now. Signing off. Yeah, see? There's something else we have to talk about.
It hasn't been on.
No, I hit record, and it said record.
Well, I just turned it on by hitting.
There is our little baby. Where's his face? Oh, hi. Hi, handsome guy. You are so cute. He was trouble last night, though. Lost a little weight. Need to give him a little bit of formula. But he'll be okay. He'll be just fine, because he's so handsome. There's Daddy. Tired Daddy. He's up all morning with them. Taking care of them. This is our hospital room. This is our flowers that the grandparents sent. Both sets of them. Beautiful. There's our TV. And there's a little baby Augie. We filled out his birth certificate, so he is officially J. August Sullivan. The handsomest baby in the whole world. Right? Alright. Alright. I'm tired, baby. I love you, Augie. Your 4th day on this world. This is our last day at the hospital. This is our hospital room. 934. Beautiful. Here's the daddy. And the little lobster. Hi, Augie. Augie, say hi to everyone. Come on. Oh. Debbie, do you have anything you want to tell your son in a few years?
Stay off the pole.
Debbie's out. Don't make me laugh. Daddy thinks... Oh, why did it stop? It stopped. That's weird.
Did it stop or did the light just turn off?
The light turned off. Hi. Oh, there we go. There's the light.
It must sense the ambient light level and then make the decision.
Fancy camera. That's right. We got Chris Brown going in the background. These are the flowers my parents sent. A little balloon. Can't really see it. That's okay. With the teddy bear. And these are the flowers Devin's parents sent, which are beautiful. Oh, and there's his little, let me see his little first outfit. He's so cute. He's so cute. We love the little lobster. We officially named you J. August Sullivan, the handsomest baby boy in the world. Oh, you want to say something? Is it going to be in the forms of screams? Alright. I'm going to sign off. Bye, baby. Bye, Augie. There Here's the Dada and his son. Augie, you're so cute. Oh, is this light? I wonder why this light's on. Augie, we love you so much. You're such a good baby. And your dad's such a good dad. We're both so sad that he has to go to work tomorrow. We don't want him to. We want him to stay with us. Because we love him. Oh my God, he's so cute. Love you. This is Augie's 9th day alive. This is baby Augie. At a week old. His daddy's going to work tomorrow. We're all very sad. He loves his Augie. His doggy Augie.
Yeah, actually.
Ooh, topless Debbie. Oh, I'm gonna shut this off. Oh, there's the Augie. Soggy Augie.
Oh, look at that brilliant boy.
Oh, the smartest boy in the world. That's the smartest boy in the world right there. Huh.
Look at him, he's breathing. He's
Yeah.
the smartest kid.
The doctor said he's really smart because he puts his hands in his mouth.
You're smart,
And
you
that's-
can find your mouth.
That's big boy stuff. That's big boy. You're big boy. Oh, you don't like that light, I know.
Oh, he doesn't like that Luna.
Okay, we'll turn it off. You tired boy. Oh, hand in the mouth, smarty pants.
Showing off now.
Yeah.
Such a big, big boy. I'm gonna give you the dada. Yeah. Ooh, I'm gonna give you the dada, little boy.
Oh, little handsome baby.
He's all dressed up.
Yeah, he's Mr. Charming.
Baby.